I got this external portable USB battery pack from iSound, and it has 16,000 milliamps, which is a lot of power, a lot more power than the other portable battery packs have on the market. And this was about $75. It's pretty hefty, you know, size of a brick, but the options are 5 USB outputs, and this is to charge it. And then when you flip it on, you check your power, and here's, oh, it's a LED flashlight in there. It's got all kinds of things, and you can power an iPad 3 almost to full capacity with this, and an iPhone 4S, which is what I have. And I also use this for my GoPro Hero 2. And, you know, with a USB cord, plug that in there, and then you plug it into your GoPro Hero 2, and it pretty much runs it indefinitely, or as long as this battery is, which will last a long time. And I used it on road trips, I used it on other film shoots, video shoots, where I needed to power one or multiple GoPros to run continuously, or if I just needed to recharge the battery, I'd plug it in and recharge it, and it works great. But then what happened on one shoot a couple weeks ago is that I was, you know, plugged it in to power it on, and then it was shooting some time lapse. Which is another great thing to have this external battery pack, because if you're doing time lapse for very long periods of time, the regular battery, even with the battery pack, is maybe 4 hours, roughly. But with this, lasts all day. So plugged it in, and then all of a sudden it wasn't working, so I unplugged this device, and then I put in the regular battery right here in the back, and then pow, there was a spark, and it basically shorted out my GoPro Hero 2. This no longer functions at all, and it kind of still smells like smoke where the battery connection is. So I contacted GoPro about it, and then they were asking, well, the battery I also put in is gone too. I lost that battery, and this still works though. So they asked, you know, what kind of battery pack, and made sure that, you know, a battery pack is covered under warranty, that, you know, a third party, but it needs to be a 5-volt output. And I looked at this, and this said 5-volt output, or something with the ampage. I forgot whatever amps it has to be, but anyways, the iSound 16,000 milliamps had 16 volts. That was it. It apparently had 16 volts. It overcharged the GoPro and basically turned this into an electronic bomb. And then it went off when I put in the battery, and the good people at GoPro could not refund me, even though I bought this like a couple months ago. It's still under warranty, but not anymore. So lesson learned. Those of you out there who have something similar to this, don't use it with your GoPro, because your GoPro will explode.